I love trading.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to Excel Insights, where wisdom meets purpose. Each session, we're going to take a few moments to slow down, think deeper, and explore practical insights that strengthens our faith, our character, our leadership, and our everyday lives. Whether the topic is business, finances, personal growth, relationships, or biblical wisdom, every insight is designed to challenge your thinking and encourage wise decisions that produce lasting results. So settle in, open your heart and your mind, and prepare to discover an insight that can make a difference today. This is Excel Insights. Hey, let's begin.
Oh, dog, you gonna help me, bro? Hey,
Sam,
excellence insight with my boy. See, bro, you ain't even text me back, bro.
I thought that was an all-purpose text. I didn't know that was directly to me.
I don't do group text like that, dog.
Oh man, well, good to know. Thank you. That's why I didn't respond. That's exactly why I didn't respond. Okay, so Sam gave me this allotted time to do a little what we call Excel insight.
Yeah.
I didn't write up anything, so I'm gonna just go off the cuff. And today we're gonna talk about purposeful practicing. We got to practice with purpose, people. Please, let's do that. When we practice, and we're not just jumping in and doing anything willy-nilly. We're not doing a bunch of contracts. Let's see how much I can make if I put 50 contracts on. No, because we would never do that in this trade room. We will never do that with an account that's with a PA or with your personal accounts, unless you, me, and stupid. But that's neither here nor there. Let's practice with the intent to understand why we're getting into something, what we're seeing, and who can be against us. What is going to stop us from getting to our target or getting to wherever we are trying to go? For Sam, trading is a thing for him. I don't know why, but that's just him. But we have to understand where we are, where we're going, and how we're going to get there. And practice is the only way we can do it. That's how we grow. That's how we get our confidence. It's how we know what we're seeing when we're in the live trades. We got to practice. Are we talking about practicing? Yes, we're talking about practice.
Yep.
We're talking about practice. Please do that. Practice 3 times to 4 times as much as you actually trade. If we're trading in the morning for 2 hours, boy, you got to give 8 hours of practice. We got to get 8 hours of practice. It ain't got to be all at once. But we got to get in here and practice, man. This trading thing changes lives. That's not a catchphrase. That's not a slogan. That is real life. Those dreams that you want, hey, trading gonna get you there.
Yeah, man.
Those things that you want to buy yourself, your children, your loved ones, hey, trading gonna pay for it. The quickest and easiest way to get to those dreams and goals, practice. How you gonna get better if you come in here playing with your money? Come on, let's stop it.
Yeah.
You better say that one more time, CB.
Real.
Please, let's
Thank
stop.
you for joining this week's edition of Excel Insights. We hope today's message encouraged you, challenged your thinking, and gave you practical wisdom you can apply throughout the week. Remember, growth happens one decision at a time, and wisdom becomes powerful when it is put into practice. Join us next time for another inspiring edition of Excel Insights, where we continue pursuing truth, wisdom, and excellence together. Until next time, may God bless you, guide you, and strengthen you as you continue your journey towards excellence. See you next time on Excel Insights. Samuel J. Strong III. I'm out.
Every chart, every lesson, every opportunity. Stay patient. Stay disciplined. Stay thankful. Because I love trading. Samuel J. Strong. Hey, chill.